What's up, guys? We're here with my compa David, and we got Monroy Senor. And we're changing his oil. David's doing all the work. We're just here to watch because I've never changed oil in my life. Angel hasn't either. Both angels haven't. David's showing us right here how to change oil. We got 3 cats in here.
You cannot find the other one.
1, 2, and there's a 3rd for safety. So we got little jacks only.
You got your oil in there too?
Here you go.
Yeah, it's because I don't have time to throw it away.
Here we go, about to do this. Hands in. Monroy's new battery. Dropped 150 on that bad boy. But he's good, right?
I'm not meant to be good.
This one right here,
Uh-huh.
you have to unscrew it. And then once you unscrew it, like you got it like finger, just unscrew it and then
Gotta move.
gotta move it real quick when it gets to the end. You got me?
Yeah. You got it, bro. Just shit on the way.
Ah! It's getting out. That hurt. Nope. Can't get it open.
I'll get another shot.
You wanna give it another shot?
I'll get another shot. Ah, got it, boys! Alright, let me see what looking.
You survived the day.
Get a car full.
There you go. There you go.
I think I got a rag towel. Hey, boys! That's me. That's me, bro. That's me.
Alright, hold up.
Hey, put on fire, bro. Fire sauce.
Now we gotta struggle to get the filter out.
Say it again.
It ain't, the oil is counterclockwise thread, like the way it should be, not reversed.
How long does it take?
To what? Oh, no, I'm telling you, just until it runs out. Like 10 minutes.
Really?
Or 5. I mean, you could take out the filter already.
Alright, some step up. Bitches. Is it hard? Love, maybe. If it might work. Shit's mad slippery. Let's see if I can. Okay, we got a whole set of rubber bands wrapped around the filter. And we getting this bad boy loose. Alright, it's gonna drive hella?
Yeah,
Ooh.
look at that.
Yeah, it's like a wall.
And then just leave it in there.
Well, you leave it like that?
Yeah. No, take out the filter and then just leave it on the pan.
Yeah, boys, coming like, oh, there goes one rubber band. Come on, bro. How long is this? Oh, here we go, boys.
Just leave it on there. Throw it in there. Yeah.
Let's go. Angel the mechanic, David the professor, Monroy.
That's funny.
Rubber bands did the job.
Oh, yeah.
That grip, bro. I need it to put it back on. The clean ones at least.
It's recording.
The boys helping me out with my lube game, getting it ready, you know? Going in the car.
Hey, zoom out so you can spit on it.
Going back in.
David, sorry.
Yeah.
If you're here.
Yeah, if I'm here, hell yeah.
Let me get a rag.
Hand tight.
That's all I can go, Monroy.
That's good enough?
Is it?
Yeah.
Do we gotta tie in the little oil plug or whatever?
I think
Oh,
David
yeah.
already did it.
You already did? No, I didn't. I just did it with my hand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you're gonna need to do it with the thing.
All right, we put on the filter, and now we're gonna tighten up the screw that holds the oil to hand tight. That's it. That's all it goes. I already spun it before. You already know, champion of choices.
Right here, bro.
This is the final work right here.
For a little bit, no?
We
Or
scared,
a
bro.
lot more. I'm scared, bro.
Bro, this boy barely put any. Like, is that it?
Alright.
Bro, that's it?
No, I'm gonna put more.
Oh.
David said wait. No?
Oh, that poquito?
Yeah.
How do you know 3 days?
That's 3 Coke bottles, the big ones.
Oh.
And you should have a measuring at the sides. The sides? The other side? Yeah, there you go.
3,
not even close.
3 liters, half of it.
Take right here. It's right here.
Ching. I don't even see it on here, bro. Keep going. I can't see. I'm look acá con
No, you're still dry, bro.
hella,
Keep
bro.
adding.
Hella.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like, they ain't nothing, bro. You being stingy with that can, bro.
Alright, bro.
Let me see, what are you at? What are you at? Man, you still got a good minute, bro.
Alright, bet.
Anybody, you still scared, bro. You scared.
Fall out the funnel. What you talking about?
Bro, the thing's dry. Like a well, bro. You can use a rag to clean the...
We're almost there. We're almost there. Look, see?
Barely at the tip, bro.
It's right here. See? You need to add a little bit more. Okay, I think I need to add more too. You lubed up all the way up.
Oh, it's supposed to go all the way right here?
Yeah. You can add a little bit more if you want. Do you want to? There you go. Yeah. That's it.
Sheesh. Let's get this show on the road. Monroy's gonna gas and be like, damn! You're gonna feel the power, huh? Alright, that's the oil change, the professor, and the 2 alumnos. It's different. Alumnos.
Both.
Alumnos. Aquí en el, can't get the license plate. Aquí en el Honda Civic 2021. Roll the window down. There you go. Here we go. Ignition. How it do?
What do you mean?
Turns on, it works. No spilling, we're good. Mission accomplished.
Yeah?
Hey, take it out for a spin, bro.
All I gotta do is reset the oil thing now. No, we're good. I just gotta reset the oil thing. The oil life. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Joey.
So what she wrote.
That's it, bro. That's it.
That's it.